Welcome to our channel. If you need to cancel a hotel reservation on Booking.com using a straightforward process, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Using any web browser, navigate to Booking.com and click Sign in the top right corner to access your account. Step 2. Enter your login credentials, including your email address and password, to sign in to your Booking.com account. Step 3. After logging in, click on your profile name or icon and select Bookings to display all your current and upcoming hotel reservations. Step 4. Find the reservation you want to cancel in your list of bookings and click on it to open the detailed reservation page. Step 5. Review the cancellation policy section carefully to understand if your booking is eligible for a refund and if any fees will be charged. Step 6. Scroll down to find and click the Cancel Booking button, typically located near the bottom of the reservation details. Step 7. Booking.com may ask why you're canceling. Select an appropriate reason from the drop-down menu, then review the cancellation summary. Step 8. Click Confirm Cancellation to complete the process. You'll receive an email confirmation shortly. Your subscription will typically remain active until the end of the current billing period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.